Hey everybody, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Thanks for coming on today. We're going to look at how to create a custom YouTube URL coming up.
Okay, for us to grab a custom YouTube URL, the first thing we're going to do is go to YouTube, go to your icon, open up your account, and just head over to YouTube Studio. Once you get to YouTube Studio, you're going to come over here on the left-hand column, go over to Customization, and we're going to start in Branding. There's a few things that we need to be able to get a custom YouTube URL, and the first one is you have to have 100 subscribers. The next thing is you need to make sure you have a profile picture uploaded and a banner image uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and upload a banner since I don't have one in there, so I'll just go to the banner. You can see that if I hover over viewable on all devices, that's what it's going to look like on most devices. Here's what it'll look like on the desktop, and up here is what it is viewable like on TV. Go ahead and click Done, and it will pop that in there. You want to make sure that you hit Publish, and as soon as that publishes, then you can move on. Something that you want to make sure of is if you just did hit 100, you need to give YouTube a couple days to get things worked out for you. Okay, once you are good to go with a picture profile and a banner image, then head over to Basic Information, scroll on down to Channel URL, and you can see set a custom URL for your channel. If you haven't made the other parameters, or met rather the other parameters, you're not going to be able to see this. If it's there, you're good to go. So go ahead and click on that, and it brings up whatever your channel name is. If that's going to be okay for you, then just accept that, and I've got that one accepted. If you wanted to add letters or numbers to it or whatever, you could pop down here and add whatever else you wanted to, and then hit Publish, and it would take those. I'm going to pop back up here. This is fine for me. Hit Publish. It says once you set it, it can't be changed or transferred. Confirm that, and you should be good to go. We're going to go ahead and check out the channel. Looks like it shows up right there. So let's check it out. And there you go. So that's it. Hope you have a great day today. I will have a video up fairly soon on how to actually make a banner using Canva or Photoshop. And it's actually simple, but you have to make sure it's the right size in order for it to work. So that's it. Have a great day.